What's up, guys? AK with DCC Train. I really want to try Marklin logic through the CS3 or CS3 Plus command station. I'm not sure how they're calling it, but there's events and I believe routes and stuff like this. Yes, but I don't think so they have a name. Anyway, to do that, I updated my VNC viewer to latest version. The previous was working fine, but the newer a little bit different. So I have better control for the screen. So I remotely connecting to my CS3 Plus, and what I see here on the left top red dot, that means command station has an update, and that's what we're going to do, like from scratch. Yeah, latest update was a while ago. So here what can happen, I'm remotely, but I'm like just behind the corner. So this is our 4 new updates, packages, stuff like this. Okay, fine. You might see the screen like disappear because it might start rebooting, but I'm keep recording and I will reconnect to it, but I just need to look at it. Okay, so here we go. Good. Oh wow, that's what's happened, I guess. No, so it just reboots to the back to screen and it tells us what's going on. So so everything it was just quick download. 1 2 3 4 decoder updates, icons. Okay, my German sometime is not good, so it's pretty fresh stuff, right? So when I do that, I'll start update. My point is again, we might lose the view, but we'll see. Guess I can scroll. No, I don't want to mess with it. I just do it. Okay, yeah, let's not touch it. I don't have feedback yet, but feedback modules. But just I want to play with events, stuff like this. Yes. Mostly what I'm using, iTrain. But since command station has their own logic, well, I don't think so I would try to connect. Why not? But my understanding, the Marklin CS3, CS3 Plus logic supposed to be more less complicated, easy. Again, it's just my guess. That's what I want to try, because I have a lot of things with car motion, Visman system with the logic. Okay. That's what always not confusing, but See, this is like all events done, but that's 2024. Let's see what's screen showing. All right, screen showing the same thing. So I kind of control it, right? So it's a viewer, but at the same time, what I'm scrolling here, it's scrolling at the command station. Screen as well, same thing. Yeah, so it's like not gray out. Again, I don't want to mess with it right now. Some updates, I remember it was a while ago, but took some time, especially with ecos. Oh yeah, that was a good one. It's not scrolling very fast. Okay, well, this is like gray out, right? Start. Do this, or oh wow, so it's doing something. I just touch down keyboard arrow down. Wow, I guess after all those manipulations it just did in the background. Yeah, if you remember that the update started thing was gray out. So okay, here we go. Let's go to the system. Positive green check mark. All right, good to know. So the video for right now 7 almost 8 minutes. Close that. I'll just want to reboot it and see if it pops up again. Just bear with me. Okay. Oh, language. Interesting. English is gone. See? Okay, let's network. Interesting. So back to German. Okay. Rebooting. That's when it just rebooting. The screen is. I'm going to look at the screen right now. So yeah, it's rebooting. And rebooting. Okay, it's usually like Marklin with I believe Linux symbol on the top left corner. So I have a welcome screen here at the command station, central station, command station. Okay, I got it. Let's see what the viewer a little bit different, so I need to reconnect. Okay, so last time it was a little bit issue with the screen. No issues right now, so I'm just not pulling it down completely, something like this. All right, system, Now it's in English again. Good to know. Yeah, see? Just need a restart. Logic behind this, so it boots up first time, just kind of default, then I reboot it again and brought my settings back, and looks like all locomotives here, everything's cool. All right, good to know. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. I have a link to support main DCC Train channel, like a membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.